In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a blueprint in Wrike. A blueprint in Wrike is basically a reusable project template. It lets you set up tasks, structure, and details once, and then quickly spin up new projects from that same setup whenever you need. This is really helpful if you run similar projects repeatedly, like campaigns, events, or client work. To start, make sure you're already in your Wrike workspace and looking at the project you want to turn into a blueprint. In your project list or table view, find the specific project you'd like to reuse in the future. Take a moment to confirm that this project is set up the way you want. Check that your tasks, subtasks, descriptions, and any important dates or assignees are in place. The cleaner your source project is now, the better your blueprint will be later. Once you've confirmed that, look to the right side of that project's name. You'll see an icon with 3 vertical dots, sometimes called the More Options menu. Click on those 3 dots. This menu is where Wrike keeps a lot of project level actions, including the one we need for creating a blueprint. When the drop-down menu appears, look for the option that says Save as Blueprint. Go ahead and click that. Wrike will now create a blueprint based on the current structure and content of this project. In many setups, you may be prompted to confirm the name or location for the blueprint. If that happens, choose a clear, descriptive name so that you and your team can easily recognize it later, and then save. After you've saved the project as a blueprint, the next step is to check it inside your space settings. At the top or side of your Wrike interface, locate the space that contains this project. Click into that space, and then look for Space Settings. This is usually represented by a small gear icon or a labeled menu option. Click on Space Settings to open the configuration area for that space. Inside Space Settings, you'll see different sections that let you control how your space works. Look for the section labeled Blueprints and click on it. Here, you should now see the blueprint you just created from your project. This is where you can review it, confirm it's been stored correctly, and depending on your permissions, manage who can use it. From now on, whenever you need to launch a similar project, you can go to this blueprint, use it as a starting point, and save a lot of setup time while keeping your work consistent and organized.